Hello everyone and welcome to the episode 50 of Form Guru series by MakeForms. I am Pratik, founder of MakeForms, and today we will take a look at personalization within the forms. So when I talk about personalization, it's about the personalization for the person who is filling out the form. So this is how we can do it. So what I will do is for our demo purpose, today I'm going to create one at a time form. Okay. So let's do this personalization within forms. So what does this mean is that let's say I'm filling up the form. My name is Pratik. Okay, so whenever I am being asked a next question, it will tell me, let's say for the first question, I have filled up my name, which is Pratik. So in the next one, it will ask me, Hi Pratik, what is your last name? Okay, so this is the kind of personalization that I'm talking about. So let's take a look at how to do that. So what I will do is first I will add the name field. I will just delete this and I will put in here, enter your first name. Okay, I will add another name field again, and over here I will write hey at the rate. As soon as I type at the rate, you will see that all the questions that were about this question is now present. So I will write hey at the rate, and then I will select the first question. May I know your last name, please? Okay, now what I will again do is that I'll add a paragraph text and I will write here, nice to meet you, and then I will add the full name, which is the first name and the last name. Now let's proceed. So yeah. Now let's publish this form and let's see how does it work and what does it look like. So we'll wait for the form to be published. Our form is now published and I will go and visit this form. So here it asks me the first thing, which is enter your first name. So I will write Pratik. I will hit enter. So you can see it's telling me, hey Pratik, may I know your last name, please? I will enter Gela. And it says, nice to meet you, Pratik Gela. Now let's proceed. So this is how you can actually personalize your forms. So this is the one at a time form that we have seen. Now let's take a look at how we can do the same with our normal forms. So in the normal forms, it would not be within the forms because all our fields are at one place. So it will be more of on the thank you page. So now let's take a look at personalization regular form. And this is our standard form. So I will add name. This will be first name and last name. Now we'll go to the thank you page and here we will delete the existing element and we'll write thanks for inquiring with us, and then we will select the first name space last name. We will get in touch with you soon. I'll increase the line height a little bit. Now we will go and we will publish this form also. I'll just visit this page. I'll enter Pratik. I'll submit this form and it will tell me, thanks for inquiring with us, Pratik Gela. We'll get in touch with you soon. So this is how you can very easily personalize the forms for the users who are filling them up. Now, even in the one at a time form, if at all you actually want to, like have the at the rate calling within the form labels, you can do it very easily. So again, to do that, all you have to do, may I know your last name, comma, at the rate, and it will pull up all the labels that you have before them. So this is how you can very easily personalize forms for the person who is filling out them. So that's it. With this, today we have successfully completed 50 videos at Form Guru series by MakeForms. Our goal is to empower you with anything that you want to learn with regards to forms, automations, and to help us in this journey, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and also share our videos with your friends so they can also know about the Form Guru series. The ultimate goal is to empower you with creating any kind of form that you may have ever thought of. If you think that there is something that you cannot achieve with any regular form builder, please let us know in the comments below, and I will try my best to help you out with those kind of forms. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks, Pratik here from MakeForms. Bye bye.